Hey, this video is not planned. Life hasn't turned out to be the adventure that I imagined when I started planning this trip. I came to Europe full of hope and excitement for adventure with Cody Cowboy in a camper van. I had done it on a motorbike before, so I'm exploring areas different to what I did before, but I have done adventure before, and that adventure on the motorbike was all yes, 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 everything that really worked out well. And I got a lot of positive yeses from not only Australia, but once I was on the road. But with this trip, I'm getting a lot of no's, and I don't know what that means other than I'm supposed to be learning something from it. And I haven't worked it out yet, but it's shocking to me how so many things are causing so many delays, and it's a lot of technological problems and some mechanical problems. This week my Starlink cable blew up, and no reason why, nothing done differently. Not hot, not raining. It was just plugged into the port that it's been using, and it flashed a red light, and I smelled something burn. And then you wouldn't believe, just 2 days ago, the GoPro died, and I had 2 batteries for it, and they both overheated and failed. And I thought it was the battery, so I finally found a store that sold a GoPro battery, and I charged it up and put it in last night, and the GoPro worked for about 30 seconds and then it died flat. And now with any battery I put in, it doesn't start. So I can't, well, I shouldn't say I can't. It's just knocking me back with, I have this pressure that I want to stay updated with YouTube videos, and Starlink is saying no, GoPro is saying no. I've just been like sitting here with this heavy feeling like I think I made a wrong turn in life. I've been so happy with my adventure on the motorbike. I've been so happy with my adventure around Australia, and now that I come here, it's like all these things just keep stopping me and pulling me down and making me feel like I've made a bad mistake. And sometimes I feel like I want somebody here to help me. Like, can you drive the car and plan the route while I solve these issues? Or can you solve the issues while I'm driving the car and planning the route? And or can you cook dinner and make Cody Cowboy a walk while I figure out how to fix this? Or I know that there's like a lot of positive things that I've done in the past if I needed to help myself, you know, with there's an audio book that I like to listen to that is just all good positive vibes, and I usually feel better when I listen to that. But the Bluetooth is not working in the car, and so I drive in silence. Please don't judge me or laugh at me. I consulted with ChatGPT this morning, and I was like, ChatGPT, this is going wrong, that's going wrong, that's going wrong. Literally, I need to add to this pressure. When the week I was leaving Australia, I went to my house and the tenants were there, and I spoke to them, and they had a little gorgeous boy bouncing around. And I said, how are things here? Is there anything that needs attending to? Is there anything that you need? Are you happy? And she said, she said she was so happy with everything. She was happy with the house. She loved the neighbors. They loved the location. They were happy. And it was a great chat. And from that time on, they stopped paying rent. And then a month after that, they turned in their keys and breaking a lease. And I've not had any income now for 3 months. And all of these things breaking down. And yeah, so I go back to chatting with, consulting with ChatGPT, and I'm like, what's going on here? Like, what's going you know, I don't have a therapist, so I can't call somebody on the phone. And ChatGPT gave me some good tips and said, ChatGPT said, instead of thinking about what's going wrong, focus on what it is you can learn from it. I'm like, yes, you're right. You're right. I need to focus on what can I learn from this. I don't have an answer for that right now, but this is just a quick video to say that I'm not getting my normal video up this week, but this is just me right now. I'm not in the best state of travel, and I need to try to solve more problems today and also keep traveling. So if you're going through a rough spot, drop your comments below, because maybe we can just hold each other's hand or go through this together. I'm sorry for the negative post, but I think it's fair to be clear that life is not all just fun and travel and adventure. Sometimes it gets a bit tough, and there are way worse problems out there in the world, way worse than what I'm having right now, and I am aware of that. These are just my problems, but it's just life, really, and life on the road. So I will get through it, I hope, and I hope that you all are having a better day than me. See you next time.